Diagnostic accuracy and efficacy of shear wave elastography for evaluation of solid breast masses. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Breast carcinoma is one of the most common malignancies globally, especially in patients aged 50 to 55. However, in India, breast carcinoma is more prevalent among younger women. Although various imaging modalities are available for evaluating suspicious breast lesions, ultrasound-based shear wave elastography (SWE) is an advanced, non-invasive technique complementary to grayscale sonography. Shear wave elastography is sensitive to identifying subtle changes in tissue architecture. This technique evaluates the elasticity of a specific tissue by applying sonic pressure to that tissue. The elasticity of the lesion is measured using the ultrasound elastography color scale. The aim is to assess the role of SWE in evaluating solid breast masses in correlation to histopathological examination (HPE) study results. This prospective study was done in a tertiary care teaching hospital. A study population of 50 women aged 18 years or above with an ultrasonographic diagnosis of solid breast masses was included. A standard proforma was used to collect data in the included study group. The proforma also included a general checkup and a local assessment of the patient's breast lump by inspection and palpation. In all cases, quantitative elasticity values were measured using 2 mm diameter circular quantification (ROIS) region of interest. Statistical Package for Social Sciences (SPSS) 20.0 was used for statistical analysis. An independent 2-sample t-test was performed to compare continuous variables between the benign and malignant groups. SWE is utilized to differentiate malignant from benign breast tumors. A significantly higher value of SWE's elasticity ratio, E ratio, was observed in malignant tumors than in benign tumors, P less than 0.0001. The area under curve, AUC, for the Breast Imaging Reporting and Data System, BI-RADS-4, lesions was 0.5 to 2, 95% confidence interval, CI, 0.343 to 0.701, with an E ratio cutoff score of 85.25. The sensitivity and specificity were 50% for diagnosing malignant tumors, whereas AUC for the HPE study was 1.000, 95% CI, 1.000 to 1.000, with an E ratio cutoff score of 134.25. Both the sensitivity and specificity were 100% for diagnosing malignant tumors. A well-defined SWE E ratio range might help differentiate malignant from benign breast tumors and predict their aggressiveness. Furthermore, SWE's correlation with BI-RADS in suspicious lesions adds to HPE's advantage in distinguishing malignant tumors from benign ones. More research with large sample sizes is required in the near future to emphasize the SWE findings more accurately. Introduction. Breast cancer is a slow-growing disease that often takes years to become noticeable. Early detection is crucial because many cases are found too late, leading to higher death rates. While breast lumps can be either harmless, benign, or cancerous, malignant, it's important to identify them accurately. Shear wave elastography, SWE, is a new, non-invasive ultrasound method that measures the stiffness of breast tissue, helping doctors spot cancer earlier and more accurately. Unlike traditional biopsies, which are invasive and painful, SWE offers a gentler way to assess if a lump is likely cancerous. This study looks at how well SWE can detect cancer by comparing its results with those of tissue biopsies, which are the current gold standard. SWE also helps reduce unnecessary biopsies by better distinguishing between harmless and suspicious lumps. The goal is to make breast cancer diagnosis quicker, safer, and more accurate for patients. Conclusion: SWE is utilized to differentiate malignant from benign breast tumors. A well-defined range of SWE may help predict the malignancy of breast tumors. The association of SWE with BI-RADS in suspicious lesions furthers an advantage close to histopathology in differentiating malignant tumors from benign lesions. Although the findings cannot be generalized because of the small sample size, further research with a large population would be required to validate the results. Sahu et al., 2023. In addition, we can differentiate malignancy with mean SWE values. The role of minimum and maximum SWE values must be considered. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.